Hello everyone. So today I am going to discuss about how to create table in MS Excel and how to do sorting and filtering in MS Excel and how to merge the cells. Okay, everything will cover in today's class. Okay, so let's start. So if you like my video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you can update all the videos of mine. Okay, so first I have to make a student table here. Okay, so here I am writing student details. This is my heading of the table, student details. Okay, so here see one thing, see here student then details, but the thing is not merged. Okay, but cells is not merged, so I have to do the cell merge and I have to write the student details in the center of the cells. Okay, so for this first do one thing. First I have to change the font of the design. Okay, so first select the cell you want the merge. Okay, so I am here selecting 3 cells. Okay, and then go to this option you have to go merge. Okay, so after that see the options merge and center, merge across, merge cells and unmerged cells. So I want this one merge and center. Okay, see this statement has displayed in the center of the cells. Okay, then here these are all the alignment. So this alignment is in the left hand side, this is in the right hand side, and see here I am selecting this one, so this is in the middle. Okay, so after that I want to change the font color. So for this you have to go to this option. Okay, so here I am selecting this one and I am selecting any of the color. I am selecting this red. Okay, after that I want this one as a bold. Okay, and the font size is say 14. Okay, everything is clear. And okay, this is all about my heading of the table. Okay, so now I will start my entries. Okay, so first one is the student serial number. Okay, so SN is the student serial number, then name of the student, then I have to enter the marks of the subject, for example English, then maths, then science, and here I want the total of the marks of each and individual student total. Okay, so this is all about my heading. So now I have to give the data here. So for example my data is say 1, serial number is so here 2, then I have to enter here serial number as 3, then okay, so these are the details I have entered here: serial number, name, English, math, science and total, and 4 records are there. Okay, and their name, then subjects are all I have entered. Okay, so now I have to do one thing. First I have to select the say here I want the total marks. Okay, so I can give here total. So what is the formula for totaling? You know all, I have to do the sum of the numbers. Okay, so for this First you have to click on the particular cell where you want the result. Okay, then you have to give equals, then sum. Okay, then you have to click on this, you have to drag it and you have to leave it and okay, first bracket and then enter. So 237. Next one is again equal sum. Okay, so again you have to select it, you have to drag it and then close it and then enter. Okay, then again next one equal sum. So I have done all the sum here. So see here, all the sum has also done. Okay, so now what are the thing you have to do? You have to select the all datas. Okay, you have to select all the datas and here you have to go insert option and then see the second option is there, table. So you have to go to the table option and then see one box is there, the data for your table is in the range from CH to H10 and my table has header. So okay, see here, this data has changed to the table option. Okay, and now I want my table more designing. Okay, so even then I have to go to the option home again and then you have to go to this one border. Okay, this option is there, so you have to go to this option border and then all border. See here, this is my table. Okay, so now my table has created. Okay, so now I have to do one thing, I have to give here the sorting. Okay, how to do the sort? So here see one box is there, you have to click on this and there some options are there, sort ascending, sort descending, custom sort. So I want the ascending order, so click on sort ascending. So see, the table has now changed. First Aditya, then Dheeraj, then Raj, then Rina. This is in ascending order. If I want sort in descending order, then Raj will appear in the first. Okay, so I done. So again ascending order. So this is about sorting. So if you want the sorting in number, so go to here, again sorting in ascending order. See 59, 69, 75, 86. This is all about sorting. Okay, next one is filtering. If you want the filter, okay, then you have to go to the particular option, say maths, then go to the filter option. So here see, select all the items 65, 80, 85, 95. So you want the student whose mark is say 80, 85 and 95. Okay, so you don't want the marks whose mark is less than 80. So 65 I don't want. Okay, then you have to click on OK. So see here, no number of student now who got 65 in maths, okay, he is not in the list. Okay, only 3 person has present in this table. Okay, again I don't want this filter, so go to the clear filter from maths. Okay, see all the options has appeared. Okay, so this is the table, and again you can change the cell style, cell formatting, then table style. So here design option is, design tab has appeared here. So here you can go to the option cell style. Okay, so you can go any of the cell style, so I am going this one. So see here, cell style has also changed. Okay, so again you can go to the option format as table. So format as table option is there, then you can go to the any format. So I'm going to this one. Okay, so this is all about today's class. So this is all about sort filter. Okay, so if you like this, then please like my channel and subscribe my channel.